Have you ever felt stuck, like no matter how hard you try, nothing changes? Imagine standing at the base of a giant mountain. That mountain is your challenge, your fear, your dream. Today, I'm going to show you how to climb it, step by step. There was a young man named Alex. He had big dreams. He wanted to start his own business, inspire people, and live life on his own terms. But life wasn't easy. Bills piled up, people doubted him, and every failure made him question if he had what it takes. Every night he went to bed thinking, maybe I'm not meant to succeed. Sound familiar? That's where most people give up, but not Alex. One day, Alex met an old mentor. The mentor said, success isn't about giant leaps. It's about showing up, learning, failing, and trying again. Every small action matters. Alex decided to start small. Every day, he took one step toward his dream. One email, one small task, 1 hour of learning. Weeks became months. Months became a year. Slowly, his mountain wasn't looking as impossible anymore. Alex faced setbacks, big ones. Clients rejected him, money ran low, and he questioned himself constantly. But each time he stumbled, he remembered the words. One step, keep moving. He pushed through fear, self-doubt, and fatigue, and every small victory fueled his courage. Finally, Alex reached the top, not because the mountain disappeared, but because he became stronger than the mountain inside him. Your mountain might look impossible right now. Your fears might feel overwhelming. But remember this, the climb isn't about speed or perfection. It's about persistence, courage, and showing up every day. Take one step, then another, and another. You'll be surprised at how far you can go. Alex realized that success wasn't about one big win. It was about showing up every single day. Some days were easy, some days were exhausting. Some days he felt like quitting. But he reminded himself, progress is built one step at a time. He started journaling his wins, no matter how small. Sending one email, finishing one project, helping one client. Each victory reminded him that he was moving forward. Your journey works the same way. Even small daily actions, repeated consistently, stack into massive success over time. Even with progress, Alex struggled with self-doubt. Thoughts like, I'm not good enough, or I'll never make it, crept in. But he learned a simple truth. Doubt is natural. Action is optional. Every time he acted despite fear, he gained confidence. Every time he pushed through discomfort, he grew stronger. The mountain wasn't shrinking. It was him who was growing taller. Remember, your fears will always be there. But courage is not the absence of fear. It's taking action in spite. As Alex reached new heights, he realized something incredible. His journey inspired others. People saw his perseverance, his courage, and his mindset, and they started taking their own steps. Your climb isn't just about you. Every step you take, every obstacle you overcome, can inspire someone else. Your story has power beyond what you imagine. Success becomes a ripple effect, helping others rise while you rise yourself. So here's the truth. The mountain inside you will always be there. Life will throw challenges, doubts, and setbacks. But remember, Alex, small steps every day, learning from failure, pushing through fear, and helping others along the way. Rise and conquer isn't just a slogan, it's a way of life. Start today. Take one small step, then another. Keep going. Your mountain is waiting, and the power to climb it is already inside you.